Picdo Skin Tag Remover is marketed as an at-home solution that claims to remove skin tags quickly and painlessly without needing a visit to a dermatologist. The ads make the process look simple, but the real question is, does it actually work? Now, to be fair, some at-home skin tag removal devices can be effective when used correctly on suitable skin tags. However, not every skin growth is a skin tag, and results can vary. What it does well: convenient home treatment. It offers an alternative to scheduling a medical appointment for minor skin tags. Simple to use. Most kits are designed with straightforward instructions for home use. Where the hype falls apart: it won't work on every skin growth. Moles, warts, and other skin lesions can look similar to skin tags and shouldn't be treated the same way. Results aren't guaranteed. Some skin tags may not come off completely, and multiple treatments may be needed. Incorrect use can cause problems. Using the device improperly may lead to irritation, bleeding, infection, or scarring. So, should you buy Picdo Skin Tag Remover? Short answer: maybe if you're sure it's a skin tag. If you have a small, confirmed skin tag and follow the instructions carefully, it may be worth considering. But if you're unsure what the skin growth is, it's safer to have it evaluated by a healthcare professional first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.